All right, moment of truth. What's up, my lazy lifers? Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do a quick video. We're going to do a follow-up review on the wheel spacers I installed over a year ago. I think it's like a year and 5 months or something like that. But I get a lot of questions on it and stuff. And I actually haven't taken these off to check them myself. I know you guys probably should after your whatever 60 miles after you install it, double check and whatever, but I never did. You know, what's my channel name? Lazy Life, that's right. So we're gonna take these bad boys off and check them for you guys, and we'll let you know how it goes. There you go, double safety. All right, let's take these bad boys off. All right, moment of truth. Oh, that didn't want to come off easy. I don't want to put that on its face. Well, you can really see it's not like it was rusted on there or anything like that. It looks fine from here. Okay. Stay, boo-boo, stay. All right. Here's the wheel spacer right here, and as you can see, this part back here is rusted. I'm putting the screwdriver in the rotor, and the rotor doesn't feel bad. Minor grooves. I should check those while I'm out here. Let's get this first. All right, here's your moment of truth. What? Oh, look at that. Now you can see there's rust that's rubbed off onto here. It's not too bad. I'm pretty sure this is aluminum and that's steel. I guarantee you this is steel. But I'm pretty sure this is aluminum. I can test it for you guys real quick if you want. All right, so I think this is aluminum. I'm gonna let you find out right now. This is a neodymium magnet. I got this out of a hard drive, one of those spinning mechanical hard drives. You can see it sticks to that, no problem, right? There you go, non-ferrous, it's aluminum. So I don't know if it matters whether or not if it's aluminum that it'll you know, forge itself back to the back of that plate of the rotor, but I didn't have no issues with this. Now keep in mind also that if you look underneath the car and everything like that, I don't drive, well, I drive this yearly, but down here it doesn't snow that much. we don't have as much of the salt brine and all that stuff like that. I don't know if it, I think we snowed once last year or whatever. But I had no problems getting this off. And I parked my car in the garage also. That might be another factor of why this didn't, you know, forge itself onto the rotor. But I'm pretty happy with this. Haven't had any issues. The reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of people had problems with it. Not a lot of people, but I've seen videos of people having problems with the wheel spacer sticking to the rotor, to the point where they had to like hammer it off and stuff. But like I said, I park in the garage. I don't live in a place where it snows often, so it benefited me. If you do live in a place where it snows often and you live in a garage, then yeah, I'd probably say put a little grease on the backside here and on there. Should be fine. Make sure you torque everything down exactly the way it should. Don't second guess it. Here we go. All right, so let's wrap this up. My opinions of the wheel spacers. I've had them for over a year. They've been working great for me. No issues. I still love the look. I had no issues with it at all. I didn't put any grease on it or anything like that, and I haven't even taken it off since I installed them. A couple things you want to remember: if you do live in a snowy place that gets a lot of snow and they use a lot of the salt brine and all that stuff on the roads, then yeah, you might want to put some of that grease on there. And then also you got to remember, I also live in a garage. My car lives in the garage, so it stays dry most of the time, and I drive through some puddles, but nothing too nasty or whatever. And so yeah, if you park on the street and you live in a snowy place, then yeah, you should probably put some grease on it or something like that. And then also, if it's, I don't know if they make them out of steel or iron, which I wouldn't think they would, because you want it to have as less weight as possible. But mine are made of aluminum. I had no problems with it at all. And then just make sure you torque everything down to spec, to whatever you're supposed to be for those studs you have. I believe mine is 82 foot-pounds. I'm not sure. Check with your manufacturer to make sure, or your foot poundages. Do not try to hand tighten it. You will bust a nut. I mean, bolt. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and have a happy, lazy life.
Next level. Lazy.
Life for us is
Lazy.
life for us. Static treated, we get drinks. Static says we get drinks. It's
Lazy.
life